This is my bird again. Spying on him. He's like really quiet. And holy. The mirror's dirty. Anyway. He's just sitting there. Really boring.
And not to be crass about this, but the telltale sign is that your stools in the toilet bowl start to float and become less dense. And what this means is that you're not digesting fats because you're not
hey, birdie.
your system.
There was massive surgery to remove a third of his pancreas.
No, he won't do anything.
Stomach, a crushing blast of chemotherapy and radiation. Crushing for body, not spirit.
This is
Once my doctor
boring.
asked me, so are you feeling depressed? And I said, well, compared to an average 46-year-old, probably, but compared to a guy who just had his insides carved out, he's in tremendous physical pain.
Oh, well, he's a cute bird, so stare at the pretty birdie. Yeah, and that's his cage.
And so he just turned the entrance
And this is my room. Haha. Okay, back on the bird. Yeah, he must be tired. It's after 10
never found anger
at night.
to make a situation better, and right now I've got a finite amount of time, and I can spend that time angry, or I can spend that time doing something productive and worthwhile and having fun.
I'm going to turn off the camera. He's not doing anything good. Haha.
Dying.
Yeah.
He tells me